Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily generate a link for Zoom meeting in your PC or laptop. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser and on the search field, just type Zoom, click on this official website and just easily sign in using these options or your own personal email. I will just use the Gmail since it's the easiest to use. And once you're signed in, this is what the user interface looks like. You can click on schedule over here, or meetings. Now here, this is where everything happens. You can name your meeting, for example, meeting one, then the date, the day, month, and year, the time. Make sure to adjust here if it's AM or PM, and the duration and how long it's gonna be. For the free or basic plans, the maximum is gonna be 40 minutes. Then time zone. Here you can enter usernames or email addresses for the invitees, and you can also adjust everything in here, but these are the most important things to consider. Scroll down and you will see the option to click on save. Now go ahead, do that. Then you will have your invite link. Click on this icon, copy the link, and let's just say, for example, whenever your friends or coworkers press on those invite link, and this is what happens. And there you go. They just need to confirm their name if they want to turn on their video settings and audio settings, and then they can easily join the meeting itself. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.